boys and girls. Try this again. Somebody was calling me and I lost my video, but I'm gonna try it this way. It always goes upside down when it sideways. But the Remington Core Locks, 30-30, 150 grain, and 30-30 of course, and all those that are in that bag, which are around 12 more. And I got these things for $9 and some change a box. They've got 13 boxes left. On the way back, I'm going to pick those up because I just had a small bag. I didn't want to have to carry all of them. But let me tell you, $9 and, some change for this. Hell, just for the brass. I mean, it's pretty good. So, made a good deal, Chico. And look at this weather. Cold, rainy and wet. I was in Tulsa yesterday. Since Monday I was in Tulsa. I just couldn't. It's having a hard time breathing, so I just keep on home. I hope everybody's having a great weekend this weekend. God bless everyone. And Chico, really good deal. See you, buddy.